Pause. Take a deep breath. You didn't stumble across this by accident. This is your moment, your sign to keep going. Let me tell you the truth. God is never late. He's also never early. He's always right on time. And right now, you might feel a little stuck in life. You might feel a little lost. You may even feel broken. But what you need to understand is this, is God is always working behind the scenes, even when you can't see it, even when you can't feel it.
You're still here. And you get another chance. This day. To do better and be better. Another chance to become more of who you were created and what you were created to fulfill.
Everyone in the world is capable of living outside the role or beyond the roles that they place themselves in, no matter what it is. You're not just a dad. You're not just a banker. You're not just a brother or a son or a convict. It doesn't matter. Like, everyone is bigger, much bigger, infinitely bigger than the roles they place themselves in, and is capable of reaching potential greater than anything they could imagine.
You can live the life you desire. It's right there in front of you. But in order to achieve it, you must first see it, then believe it, and then you must graciously ask and train your brain to help you execute your vision.
So when you start to focus and you delete distraction from your life and you start to get seriously invested in doing one thing staggeringly well, and you practice that one thing over and over, a term to think about is mundanity. You do one simple, seemingly insignificant thing every day around your main skill, and it's very mundane, but small daily improvements over time lead to world-class results. Well, here's what happens in your brain. You start to isolate a single neurocircuit around that skill, and that starts to trigger a certain type of brain cell called an oligodendrocyte, which then releases myelin. Myelin is a fatty tissue that starts to wrap around that single neurocircuit related to that main skill you've been practicing. And when myelin starts to wrap around the brain circuit, what happens is you have accelerated learning times, you can see more quickly, heightened perception, and you'll learn more.
So today is Tuesday, guys, and literally just had to pick up the camera to do the weekly vlog. But as you all know, I did our daily vlog, which is Saturday. We went to Puerto Cinco, so if you have not yet watched it, you can go and watch it. It was kind of therapeutic day where we just sit back, relax, and have a good time with the girls. I've meant to start the vlog from Sunday, and I haven't. Yesterday I had a lot of stuff doing yesterday because Sunday was just like a relaxed day for me. I didn't go to church because the sun drunk me, and Monday night, which was yesterday, I actually washed because I had a lot of clothes to wash and clean and so forth, even though I still have clothes to fold up because it's starting to rain, and I actually took up the clothes off the line and they were partially wet, so I put them in the sateen. But yeah, I'm leaving the gym now, and I say, you know what, I'm going to start off the vlog today. Yeah, let's start off the vlog today because I don't know or never. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to go Kingston though because I'm trying to be a good friend. I'm going to cook somebody's lunch. Hey, they love the foolishness, they love the foolishness. You see, yeah, but before I get into whatever I'm going to do today, I just want to welcome you to the vlog. I'm your girl V-La-Nessa. If you don't know, I do daily vlogs, and I'm mostly like go on the H2B program and stuff. Right now I'm kind of on a break, but working towards it. And I know many people come on here because of that, because every now and then we put in a little one word about H2B. And the real reason why I have not been doing a lot of H2B content, one, I'm on a break. Two, it just seems so, I don't know, it just so toxic, and I can't bother with the toxicity. So we just kind of stop. Not only that, I used to go live and do things for free because I honestly just wanted to help. But if you do want like in-depth information, I do have an ebook that you can go ahead and purchase. Not many people purchase it because people like free things, I guess. But the reason why I actually did that ebook is because no matter how much videos I make, people still ask the same questions. And then it's like they don't spend the time to watch the videos where the informations are in there for free. And they would rather come in my inbox and message me. I don't mind, but can you imagine 100 people or 1,000 people messaging you one time? Like, say if I do a video right now, best believe the information is in the video, and somebody gonna message me and say, how do you reply? How do you apply? Not only somebody, but more than one person. And it's like people think that I have jobs, but I don't have jobs. I'm not an agency. The only connection I do have is my employer, and then basically full. I'm not gonna come on here and say that, oh, I have job, I have job, I have job. If you pay me, no, I'm not going to do it. If I don't have it, I don't have it. I can only teach you how to get it, and if you don't wanna use the step that I give you, then that's just on you. Yeah. Hey, one thing with me, I always attack all over the place. All over the place. So, yeah, I'm gonna go into Kingston. But before I go to Kingston, I'm gonna cook some food and bring lunch. Yeah. Hey, last week, I love the foolishness. Last week, I name up the comments. If I should do a comment shout out with all the comments that's on there now, the video is going to be finished. So I am just gonna pick the one that stands out to me. Yeah, so I am basically just heading home. Gonna tidy up the place and cook. I'm actually cooking steamed fish with bami and corn and all those stuff, and bring lunch to the person because I haven't seen the person since Valentine's Day. Yeah, I'm trying to be a good girl, you know. You have to work towards something if you want something. Yeah. Anyway, so I chat too much, and the reason why I chat is because you guys been following on the journey, and it might not be the one, but you all have been a part of my life, so why should I hide this part of my life? And I'm not gonna say, hey, this is the person, or hey, this is what we're doing, or blah blah blah. And so because say yes, the girl is going on dates. And let me ask you something. So I've been watching like a lot of podcasts and listening to the girlies and so forth, and they're saying that when you're going on dates, you should go on multiple dates to choose. Like, I can't do it. I don't know, like it's like me know I'm supposed to, but once me find somebody and me say, okay, this person seems like it could be the one, I'm locked in. I'm so focused on that person. Like, I cannot do multiple dates. And I know multiple dates doesn't include like intimacy and all those stuff. It's just me like going out, getting to know the person. But it's like, I can't do it. Like, tell me what you guys think. Can you guys like go on multiple dates and choose which one is the best fit for you? Do you guys do that? I cannot do it. Even if I try, it's like I cannot do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. And I think the safest thing to do is actually go on multiple dates, and then whoever is doing the most, like doing their best, even though at the initial state of all relationships, people are going to do the most, and you might just pick wrong at the end of the day. So anyway you take it, you might just lose still. And then the same person, then when you could give a chance or another time, you actually lose them in the process of finding somebody else or choosing somebody else, if you understand. So that's just me. I can't do multiple dates. Can't do it. So as I said, I'm gonna go home and do some steamed fish and bami and corn, the whole works. And the reason why I'm doing it is because every time we go out, that's what the person wants. And I'm like, okay. And then the last time we went to Elsha, I didn't really take you guys. We went to Elsha and the fish they all that. It ain't all that. Some people say, you know, I can do a better job than this. So we're going to do a better job today, right? Yes, right. So that is that. Why Jamaican workman is like this? Can you believe that when I just got here, right? The ceiling, because I did get an electrician to check to see how much is it to rewire the place, and they went up in the ceiling and they basically tear down the solitex, right? And I got someone to come and look at the place and say, all right, we're gonna put up back the solitex, right? And not only that, I had a kitchen cabinet that I did, because if you all know, it's a house, but we basically split it in two. So right now it's like, if you see all of the little section, or door, close up, it's because somebody else live on the other side, right? And the man did the cabinet 4 years ago, and all now you finish the cabinet. I'm a pay him in full, right? So when you come back, me tell them, say, all right, you're going to finish it, and more want you to put up the solitex. And give me a price, how much to put up the solitex, because obviously I'm not going to pay him for the cabinet, because I did pay him long time. And give me a price, I say, okay, me and him go at the hardware, I'm going to buy the solitex, I'm going to buy the 2x4. The 2x4, him say, I'm going to cut it in strips, so that I can put up the solitex, right? So I say, fine. We bring the solitex home and we paint the solitex, because I say it's much easier to paint it on the ground than to paint it when it go up. And all me I do, I wait for him to bring the 2x4 strips them, so that I can paint those two, so that I can just install it, put it up. And I've been waiting since the first week of January, and the solitex still slung for me veranda, and I can't get the 2x4. I see him multiple times, I call him multiple times, and tell me say, he didn't go in the hospital. Okay. After that, I see him. Yesterday, I see him, and I said to him, say, yo, go on, just bring the board them come. I don't need you to do nothing. Just bring the board them come, I can get somebody else. Up to the day, I cannot. Why them still like this? Right now, we just call the board a lost, and just get another board, and just get somebody else to do it. Because we can't do it. I'm not using him again. And then we're going to just make the man finish the cabinet, which we shouldn't even make nobody. I just put in a two shelf and to put in mirror. We can't do this. We'll get somebody else to do it, because in my ramp, if no want no money, I swear. I probably have bigger money I get, and you know want to do my little work. But when I use him again, if you know much things I need to do, and suppose when we go away and come back now, I say, all right, this is what I plan to do. We save towards it, and then we come like we don't have the car out of the way. We save towards it and come sort it out. And I'm not going to be the first, because him play with life. Him doing work really good, but this last instance is just, no, it not cut it for me. Not cut it for me. Anyway, I'll go in and tidy up the place and cook and carry the food, go give me stuff.
And that is really the quote-unquote secret of the great producers. It's not a result of some natural gift, but their daily practice, their relentlessness, and their grit, their work ethic, and their singular focus and sacrifice. A great life is built not by revolution. A great life is built by evolution. Small and steady wins the race. What you do every day is far more important than what you do once every decade. I want you to really think about that idea. What you do every day is simply your life in miniature. And as you live every single day, so you're crafting your life. What you do over the next hours is really building your future. And if you can just get every single pocket of 24 hours right as best as we humanly can, the rest of our life is going to take care of itself. So small wins matter.
The scripture says we will eat the fruit of our words. You are planting seeds when you talk. At some point, you're going to eat that fruit. My challenge is make sure you're planting the right kind of seeds. If you want apples, you have to sow apple seeds. If you want oranges, you can't plant cactus seeds, poison ivy seeds, mushroom seeds. You're going to reap fruit from the exact seed.
To buy me an Audi? That's rich. Get your boo that buys you an Audi.
Everything she vlogging at that.
Right, boo? Buy me an Audi?
Everything she vlogging at that. That's what you think you vlogging at.
I have to say, tell them, what is it? My man.
What's wrong with this lady? What's wrong with you, bro? You good?
I'm getting an Audi, man. Or a Kia. I would prefer the Audi still. I always just get parking, you know? This is rich.
I want to start at Q7. I don't want to Q3. Q3 or the Q7.
7 of the most decent one?
Yeah. Should we get the highest here? So, these are Audi Q7 for 2025. You have the Quattro version, so don't really have a preference, but I'm just basically feasting my eyes on what I try to do it so far.
Alright, you have a budget you're working with?
And the last budget I had was about 8 million. I'm not sure that if the vehicle that I'm looking at, those vehicles still exist because I know inflation.
You can get the car.
That's the car.
Right, but the SUVs start at 10 or 11.
10 or 11.
Up.
That is the Q1s. Up.
Q3.
So you don't classify
You can get this for 9.
You don't classify the Q1s as
We don't carry the Q1 anymore.
a Q1 or Q2, sorry.
Q2.
Okay.
Q2 is getting the 9. 8, 9. How much would this one? This is the Q7,
The S-Line?
million.
It's like a less S-Line, huh?
How much? 19.
19, can you see?
It's
It's
open.
open. Ooh. And you have the S-Line. You can have a seat in the back.
This is nice. So you have the wireless charging right here, sir?
With a charger. Okay, nice. And this is the, well, I assume, so these are all the 43.
I like that seat. You feel it?
Let us see.
Yeah. And it's moonroof too, you know, look. You see?
Yep. I was asking you.
Love it.
Oh.
This, wouldn't go so far. 20 million now.
Believe.
Cute. When you're ready.
Yeah, man, really. Can I have your car?
Yeah. When you going to buy me the Audi?
You can buy it right now, man.
Right now? Oh, come now. Drive it out right now.
Yeah, man, can drive it home. Never see me later. I'll give him my phone and you can drive in the car. I want Bugatti, you know. I drive. You want Bugatti? I want to drive a Bugatti. Porsche, which one?
We love it hard, you know. And it's still okay. We look for something else, so we can't change my mind.
Yeah, eyeglass.
Yeah, eyeglass. We have time for you. Crime scene. A second.
Not crime scene.
Oh, wait, say.
No,
the funny. Drinks.
I'm gonna care. Can I drive a phone? I got phone. Yeah.
What you want?
I don't care. That's a bro. Yeah, waste my time, bro.
The way just look, funny and so inside. Look, we kind of stay right, so we don't need to go far.
I told upon people vehicle. People vehicle again?
No, see, you can see the funny.
People license plate funny. So you know, see license plate on the car and registered to somebody else.
So why they have plastic funny scene?
Because people don't take off the plastic usually. People keep the plastic on them cars.
But it have number for them too. Not them. See the 99, they have 74.
Yeah,
probably a rental. I tell the man say Audi me wanting camera come a BMW. I don't like BMW. I want the Audi.
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 H-A-R-D.
Audi. Yeah, I have to put a little accent to it, you know?
The Audi. Remind us of the Audi.
Audi. You know, I really like BMW for you.
There's a mini entrance this. Where you go for BMW?
Run here, sir. Look. I have my personal luggage. I use it up to mini.
Yeah, this those
24 million.
it's not like it's different.
That color. Love that. For real? Probably a rental. That don't make sense. So why don't have people care on display? Then buy it already. It's look nice inside. Take care of the car will take care of you. You hear that?
It's one guy nice too. I like it.
I don't really like this too. It just look basic. I don't like that.
You don't like cars?
Don't want any car. X6. You know, so X6 was one of my favorite car.
I'll take care.
But it... Oi. But...
Can't get a bin so you done here. That's two hours.
This match you like.
Question now. Say yo, do you Samsung? Ask him what's something. Ask him. Justin said the same joke a while ago. Say where your boss tell us?
My man just said you want Samsung you will.
Bro, no, use your phone. No, use your phone. Use your phone. Put your phone on it. Put your phone. Put your phone. Put your phone on it. Put your phone on it. It accepts tap, right?
Yes, it does.
Regular card tap. So use your phone on it. No man, you Justin, make sure use your phone on it. A good content for the vlog. Good content for the vlog. Good. No. Justin, where you gone?
She's coming around. Try it, Justin.
Cause I don't know. You come up people place where a business people come here for doing it.
Try it, Justin.
I can't do it.
You can't do it. Yeah, you might have to do it.
Come and pay for it. You come make a shame with them.
See security will walk towards you know. We are coming here people to the store and make nice. I them thing you matter about you know. I them thing you matter about you know. Huh? Come with your first world lifestyle at them places.
Look how many shame, you know.
They are wait still. Cause it's a good content for
what you
people.
give me?
10 grand.
Get me the Audi.
10 grand.
The Audi.
$10,000. If it doesn't go through, you will give me 10 grand. If it goes through, I give you 10 grand.
If it doesn't go through,
Simple thing, G. 10 grand no nothing, my girl. 10 grand is something we dash out a red light, nothing. So what is 10 grand?
I don't have it. Sugar drink?
You're currently in the chair.
Look how many shame, you know. You're not. I'm going to shame.
No,
guys.
you're going to be shamed. You are going to be
I'm
shamed.
going to be shamed.
Yes.
Okay.
It's so sad. These foreigners, them think them can just come to people country and just use these things like so
Bring them
obligated
foreign
to.
methods.
We bring a foreign thing here. We don't want in the air, man.
Look how I'm
Come with the US dollars.
Look how I'm going to shame.
We don't want on the phone, we want the US dollars.
Look how I'm going to shame.
And this is the bracelet, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the share
Just the bracelet
yourself.
alone, right?
Right.
Awesome.
US we deal, we're gonna deal with Samsung phone. We use Samsung. And it's a Samsung phone in a box. When I open it, I that I use them. Money. And that we
So
deal
make it
with.
just exalt yourself.
Benjamin the Franklin. The Benjamin Franklin we deal
Exalt
with.
yourself.
Benjis.
Before any stuff comes in play, we need an overseas address since we're a duty-free store. Please. And your name.
There was Samsung that one there too. There was Samsung that on the paper. There was Samsung that on the paper too.
No, look for the address.
Okay. See the receipt all that. Prepare now, G. Moment of truth. Can the S24 do it?
Justin couldn't believe he lost the bet.
Just for the phone night, I'm about 25.
They shame them like dog. Shit, you know shame. But I need my 10,000. I need my $10,000.
Let me be shaming peace.
No, we need me $10,000.
Let me shame enough.
No, we need me $10,000. I carry this. It looks so nice. I said they look good.
I saw the Toyota light shine for it. Babe, I'm shame.
Shame. Okay.
Like that.
They hear tuk tuk.
Now we go to me. I miss it. I put. Come here. Alright. So look up and they ever say reverse like it does say no. We don't accept Samsung. Like some shit like that. Me say thing go through. Me approve. Me say.
I went just to go see me because Samsung way out of here. It would have lose a customer.
Yes, for what it was, we have fight it. Let me want fight.
No, man. No, I don't know that joke. He manager never says something true.
I'm going to say, I can't believe so the man doubt your babes. Bro, you know, say all this way. I didn't know say it can work here.
We still want me $10,000. We still want yeah, you know. Yeah, we want me $10,000. I know we need me $10,000. Yeah, I'm
I'm watching the load to my phone. Some don't know for the battery car. But things like I'm watching the load to on my G. I don't say that I got you, you know. I don't say I got you.
Just probably.
How much? I have like 5% battery on the phone, G. Eh? How much battery you have on the phone? 5% battery?
60%.
60%. Oh, I probably can't want the phone and me see it happen to already there. No battery.
Anyway, guys, please tell him to give me my $10,000.
What you talking? For the record, we know what you talking.
We need me $10,000. You did bold and big. I did it on the camera, so make sure say you make sure say that edit it out. Just send it just as is.
Can't tell you what to do with my phone. Tell me what to do with my phone. Tell you what to do with your phone. Yeah, you edit people and you edit your video.
I want my $10,000 because right now I'm hungry.
You ever eat some fish?
Look at two spoons of fish. A fish?
A fish, yeah. I just get a restaurant to export people.
As you see in the clip, I went to Pandora, right? And I didn't bring my card because my card didn't leave in this car, and then my dad used another car. And we go Pandora because I needed to buy a bracelet for somebody because I actually bought her one, but then it never did that. It never fit. So I tell her somebody I buy it back. So I buy it, and in there, you know, because as I'm saying, I have my card, I tell them I'm going to use my Samsung and pay for it. They might laugh after me and laugh me to scan. And I said, look how I'm going to shame you know. Them a laugh me to scorn. I mean, I said, look how me got shame, you know. And just today, when they went to them all bet me money and so forth. And then they don't want to pay me money, you know, they don't want to pay me money. But not because I have a Samsung, means say Samsung no good. Samsung is like better than iPhone. Yeah. So it go through and then shame like a dog. I say, yeah man, no for shame. No for shame. I say sorry what my 10,000 now. So I'm gonna go back home now. And right now it's 2:57, so you know, say a traffic time. Probably take it area because I can't bother with the traffic, you know. But today was a good day. We went to Audi. The Q8 looked nice. Q7 too looked nice. And then we went to BMW. BMW, they don't have no customer service. We go in there, we all look on the car them, and not one person come to we and say, how can I help you? Even if we look like we didn't buy nothing. Like, customer service sucks. Like, what? Not because. And then we went into Mini Cooper, customer service, top tier. They even offer a service where you can take the car for a test run, you can take it overnight. And then say if you take it like Saturday, you can bring it back Monday. And that's cool. Even if you don't plan to buy the car, you can buy the car. Basically rent it for free. The customer service at Kia was great. Audi was also great. BMW, nobody talked to us. Nobody. And there was 3 reps inside. I don't know if it was a rep because I saw 2 rep, but there was another girl there, and it seems like, I don't know if she was buying or she was a rep or whatever, but seems like she was a customer because she was testing, sitting in the car and so forth. And I'm saying if there's 2 rep in there, one could leave her and then come over to us to see if we want anything. Just leave and go Mini Cooper.
Can't recall my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is kind of my definition of jaded. Tell me who's getting on my love? Who's getting on my love? Tell me.
Guys, I'm now in Odaba, and while I was coming over on the highway, because I'm hungry, I was contemplating if I was going to buy jerk chicken, KFC, or juicy beef chicken. And I was like, which one would be the cheapest? And as I said in the clip before, which is, I think it was yesterday, that I was going to do I was going to cook steam fish and bami and all these good stuff. I got up this morning and I did it. And I didn't eat it. It's at home. And I am here wondering if I should buy fast food. But when I reached into Odaba, I saw like a car turning into a shortcut that I would have taken if I was going home. I'm gonna just take it here, man. I just took it. I took the shortcut and I'm like, you know what? You have food at home. You don't need to buy any fast food. And you're going home. That's adulting, guys. That's adulting. Knowing that I have food at home and I don't have to buy. I really don't want some fast food now because a long time I didn't eat any fast food. When was the last time? Oh, a really long time. A Saturday. Saturday when I went out with the girls. But I only had wings and I decided to hurry up and eat it. So yes, I want to go home and just eat the fish, yeah, man. It was cool going into Audi and looking at vehicles. The one that I like is 19 million. I would have to go away for 3 years to buy that. But it wouldn't even make sense to go away and come back and buy Audi. It made no sense. But I really like it. So if anybody out there want to buy me the Q8, I'll gladly take it. A leather seat, please. A dark color preferable, either black or blue. Yeah. And fully loaded, you know. If you can't go so far, I'll stick for the Q8 regular. Yeah, you don't have to give me no fully loaded leather seat if you don't have to, you know, but that's what I prefer. So guys, I'm there we collect the girls report. You know, so I have 2 kids here. I have 2 kids. Shanae and Martina. Odaba. So I'll come out and see if I can do that. Oh, you feel I know your teacher name?
I don't know. Because
you learn nothing?
Of course, me I learn. I don't know my farm teacher. My farm teacher not teach me.
Martina.
Who's your cosmetology teacher?
Mrs. Ansel.
Oh, she, you know, what she like? Cosmo.
Yeah.
Cosmo hair class.
I'm not sure I right teacher.
Missy Chin, McBean, Baldwin, Barley, Sunday.
You come like you not even know the classes.
I know my classes there, but just know teacher now because she's not really, she's irrelevant.
Guys, this week I've been in such a big slump. Like, what? So I've been going out, but I have not really vlogged properly. And I did vlog 1 and 2, which would be, which would make a great content. But the thing is, when I went into the car dealership, I didn't bring my pocket 3. All those clips are from my phone. Because the thing is, I'm still kind of iffy when recording in public, especially when it comes to Jamaica. So you're not going to see me really pop out my pocket 3, which is kind of discreet. And I think I need to overcome that fear of doing public things, public recording. And I'm going to do that. And the great thing, my friends and then the guy that is in the clip, or that voice is in the clip, he encouraged me to vlog, so I really like that. And the fact that we may be going out more soon, I can have more content. But the thing is, I don't know if you guys got the whole essence of going to the car dealership, because he was in almost all the videos then. He was in all of the videos and I don't want to put him in the vlog. He doesn't have a problem. I don't have a problem. It's just that some things you just have to keep discreet. Not only that, it is too early. And, you know, once you go out there, you cannot take it back. And as I'm saying, you don't have an issue. I don't have an issue. It's just that it's just too early. And that's the thing that I like. The fact that he is willing to come on the media. That shows not many men are going to do that. Not many men is going to do that. You have about 10% that would do that. And the fact that he's in that 10%, it's a good deal. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. So I kind of like that. Right now, I feel like I want to snack on something. Not only something, but like probably KFC or something like that. Because I just feel to snack. I know that I'm supposed to be dieting and all this stuff. But how comes to Jamaica and diet? Who comes to Jamaica and diet? I know Zinger is my favorite, but I would not buy Zinger because of the bread and the only per calories. Probably I just buy like a wing box or popcorn chicken or something like that, because I just feel for snack. And then the thing is, I don't feel like I want to change my clothes, so I can just jump in the car and just drive, go Oda and stand in the car, in the drive-thru. And not only that, I don't feel like I want to socialize with anyone. So I don't want to get out of the car and go anywhere else. And KFC would be the best bet because it has a drive-thru. Juicy beef have a drive-thru, but I don't want no chicken from Juicy beef. So the best bet is KFC. So I feel like that's what I'm going to do right now. Or maybe not. But if you're sitting on the next clip, just know, say, yeah, that's what I did. Guys, we know this Zoom about, guys. There's only one person in the drive-thru. Only one person in the drive-thru. Yeah.
1,805.
Alright, thanks.
Sure.
Somebody here, Sunday man just come walk up at about my bag. And then through the camera in there saying, I just want to hurry up and order. But if you can't beg, like really, they really come and then the vehicle behind me I blow, I guess because I'm see what I go on. They don't wine stand up there. if one vehicle never there behind me, probably then would have do something. Like what? Why them say like this? Then go where people are order for antagonize the people them. That don't make no sense. But I got my order. Oh, I secured the bag. Like that was so uncomfortable. Like why would you stand somewhere where somebody are order? Like especially, you know what I hate? Like when you go to the ATM machine and somebody just stand up there with palm for big. Like who does that? I was watching, I think it was Shelby vlog, and you can see somebody just come while she was ordering something, and she felt so uncomfortable. Yeah, that's how I felt. Uncomfortable. Like why would you come there when somebody are trying to spend money for buy food? Can't be get a thing. Yeah, the ATM machine can't be get a thing. Yeah, we rob man. No sir. And somebody was strong, you know. Somebody strong, we can say, alright, I'm sure no if him big a thing, he probably get $100 and $200, and he could have buy Kool-Aid and sugar and gonna make suck. Just like with the thing that I saw today. The lady said that she dated a man and the man bring her down to nothing. She was living in an uptown house and she had her car, and the man makes she have nothing. And she said I want her friend, she see, and her friend give her $1,000, and she take that $1,000 and go buy Kool-Aid and sugar and make suck and carry go on school, go sell. And so she has sell when she got the first day, the suck sold off, and then she go with more products and it sold off. And then one day one little kid said, you know, you can't sell ice cream, you can't sell this, you can't sell that, or whatever. And then even the same little boy said, you know, you can go at different school, and she started selling at 2 schools, and she started selling other stuff, and the girl gone back up. So you can start with a little bit, like, you know, if you're big some man. No man, that was so uncomfortable. At one point I think I'm gonna grab my camera or grab something around, but luckily there was a car behind me. And that's why I see the car blow, because come like you see what I'm going. So God always send angels around. Angels always watching. God is so good. Anyway, I got my Casey. Yeah, mission accomplished, and I'm going back home now. Like I didn't leave. Why? Sorry for talking in the dark, but I was just so over it. I never meant to make it so long. This day so long. Anyway, I'm just gonna close out the vlog right now. So let me just turn on the light. I'm gonna close out the vlog because today Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna close out the vlog and start another one tomorrow. And yeah, so sorry for not giving you the best of vlogs, but I'll work on it. I'm not gonna promise you no more. I'm gonna work on it. Thank you for subscribing. For those who just come on and subscribe, thank you all for liking the video, because you guys been liking the video. Thank you all for your comments, and pick up all of my day one. You know, my love in a long time. And yeah, see you next week.